before, after and in between. Here are 3 vegetables: a brinjal, cabbage, and potato. We can see that the brinjal is placed before the cabbage and the potato is placed after the cabbage. Thus, the cabbage is placed between the brinjal and the potato. Let us rearrange the position of the vegetables. Now, the cabbage is placed before the brinjal. The potato is placed after the brinjal, and the brinjal is placed in between the cabbage and the potato.
Here we have number 3. Can you find the before number? So what number comes before 3? Yes, it's 2 that comes before 3. Here we have number 6. So can you guess what number comes before 6? Yes, it's 5 that comes before 6. Here we have number 15. So can you find what number comes before 15? Yes, it's 14 that comes before 15. Here we have number 26. Can you find which number is before 26? Yes, it's 25 that comes before 26. Here we have number 33. Can you find which number is before 33? Yes, it's 32 that comes before 33. Now let's learn the after concept. We have 2 numbers, 3, 4. So can you find which number is after 3? After number is the one that comes next. So here 4 is after 3. Now here I'll be sharing you a number and you have to find which number comes after. So let's start the guessing game. Here we have number 5. Can you find which number comes after 5? Yes, it's 6 that comes after 5. Here we have number 7. Can you find what number comes after 7? Yes, it's number 8. So 8 comes after 7. Here we have number 15. Now find which number comes after 15. Yes, 16 comes after 15. Here we have the number 24. Can you find which number comes after 24? Yes, it's 25 that comes after 24. Here we have number 31. Can you find which number comes after 31? Yes, it's 32 that comes after 31. Now let's learn between concept. Here we have three numbers, 4, 5 and 6, and you have to find which number is between 4 and 6. Between numbers are the one that come in the middle of two numbers. So here 5 number is between 4 and 6. Now here I'll be giving you two numbers and you have to find which numbers comes in between. Now let's start the guessing game. Here we have two numbers, 2 and 4, and you have to find which numbers comes in between 2 and 4. Yes, it's number 3 that is between 2 and 4. Here we have two numbers, 7 and 9, and you have to find which numbers comes in between 7 and 9. Yes, it's number 8 that comes in between 7 and 9. Here we have two numbers, 18 and 20. Now you have to find which number comes in between 18 and 20. Yes, it's number 19 that comes between 18 and 20. Here we have two numbers, 21 and 23. Can you find which number comes between 21 and 23? Yes, it's 22 that comes in between 21 and 23. Here we have numbers 34 and 36. Can you find which numbers comes between 34 and 36? Yes, it's 35 that comes between 34 and 36. I hope you enjoyed learning about before, after and between numbers. If you like my video, kindly like, comment, share and subscribe for more videos.
Thank you.
Morning children, let's learn how to write cursive V stroke. Always we should start from the second blue line children. Slanting line, straight line and one more slanting line. Here you should take a small loop towards the first blue line children. Once again slanting, straight, slanting and a small loop. Understand children? Let's learn how to write it on a 4-line notebook. Children, you can see here, always we should never lift our hand while writing in a 4-line notebook. I will show once again. Children, we should start from the second blue line, slanting, straight and a loop. See, after taking a loop, we should always join through the loop itself. See, straight, slanting, loop, straight, slanting, loop. Understand? Don't lift the hand while writing. Let's move on to the another stroke which is in the form of cursive Y. Slanting U. You should write in a form of U. One more slanting line towards left. Take a big loop and move towards the first blue line. Let's see once again. Slanting line. Take a curve in the form of U. One more slanting line towards left. Take a big loop and move towards first blue line. See, it is very easy children. It is in the form of U stroke. Understand? Let's practice it in a notebook. Slanting, U, take a big loop and move towards the first blue line. See, it's very easy. Already you have learnt, you know how to write U stroke. It's very easy, children. Down you should take a big loop and you should move towards the first blue line. It's very easy, children. I hope you all understood. Today's homework is write V and Y strokes. 5 lines each. You should write only 5 lines each, children. And the other strokes which we have learnt in our previous classes, you have to write 2 lines each. You have keep in mind other strokes which we have learnt earlier, you have to write 2 lines each. Thank you.